Hello sir, this is Samir Rahman and it is problem number 8 of making a random matrix function. If you look at this code carefully, we can see that there are 4 function prototypes here: random number generator, set numbers, random seed, random matrix, and print matrix. And the constant in maximum limit is here 30. That's not going to be changed. And if you look at this code carefully, we can see that there are the functions like set random seed and random number generator, which will be just generating some random numbers here. And what we need to do is that we need to complete this random matrix function. We are using an outer for loop to go through the rows, to iterate through each row, and we are using an column to an inner for loop to just going through the columns. So what we basically need to do here is that we need to give a link of the arrays here to this function, so that the rows and columns uh, um, can be found correctly. So what we need to do is just like put R and C here. This will get the access to it, and we'll equal to it to random number generator, what we have here, and we'll just put the maximum limit here with a semicolon here, and that will be it. So what it will do is that it will get the row numbers and columns, and then it will go through the random number generator function, and it will just be generating the random number here of a row of 5 and column of 4. So let's just build this and try to run it, and let's see if it works. And we can see that it has generated a random matrix here. So that will be it. Thank you sir.